Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Skillshare Instructor Program, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To get started, visit the Skillshare website. Once you're on the home page, look for the Teach button located in the top right corner. Click on the Teach button to reach the Instructor Program page. On this page, you'll find information about the benefits of being an instructor. Scroll down and click on the Get Started button. You'll now need to create an account if you don't already have one. Fill in the required information, including your name, email, and password. Once you've completed the sign-up form, click on the Sign Up button. After signing up, check your email for a verification link from Skillshare. Click on the verification link to confirm your email address. Now, you can log into your Skillshare account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll be directed to the instructor dashboard. Here, you'll find resources and guidelines to help you create your course. Review the guidelines to understand what is expected of you as an instructor. Next, click on the Create a Class button to start setting up your course. You'll be prompted to provide a title and description for your class. Choose a compelling title that reflects the content of your course. In the description box, detail what students can expect to learn. You'll also need to select the appropriate category for your course. Upload any necessary course materials, like video lessons and supplementary content. Once you've completed all the required sections, click on the Submit button. Your course will be submitted for review by Skillshare. You'll receive an email notification once your course has been approved. After approval, your class will go live on the Skillshare platform. Remember to promote your course to attract students. Congratulations, you are now registered with the Skillshare Instructor Program. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.